Hello, welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2013 Hyundai. Hyundai what?
Veloster.
Veloster. We put a brand new starter, and after we finish, we crank. The car doesn't want to start. It doesn't want to crank. We thought that how come? Now we come here, we check the relays. By the way, the starter relay is this one, right? Which one? This is this one, yeah. 1, 2, 3. The brown one, the starter relay. So you can take this relay out and look for power and ground. The big inputs. You can start it cranking from here, or you can test it to see if the power or ground coming. After we change the starter, where is the old one? The old one is gone. After we change it, the car doesn't want to start. We went back, we checked everything, we found that there is nothing wrong. See, this is also wire messed up. Nothing wrong. So we have to take the intake manifold out and we have to put another one. So please, if you are looking to change the starter on those cars, it's not easy to change it. Try to spend some time and put the good starter. Look at the companies that they make starters, alternators, and put the good one. This is for 2013 Hyundai. You don't want to open the intake manifold 2 times. This is a turbo. Yes. Give me a video quick. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. I really appreciate and say thank you for your support, my channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is 2013 Hyundai. What's the name of it?
Veloster.
Veloster. Okay. The car come by tow truck. Good. Did a diagnostic. We found that this relay here, the gray here, 1, 2, 3. This is the starter relay. Power coming from the relay command, from the ignition switch, is going out. But the car doesn't start. We took the intake manifold out. Believe me, you have to take all this stuff. The starter is under. We put a new starter. Maybe rebuild the starter. We put it in. We put everything back. Car doesn't want to start again. We go back. We found the power coming here. Yes, before we have power coming out from the relay. Now we have the power coming all the way here. Still, this one doesn't want to start. Rebuild, malfunction. I don't know. If you are going to open an intake manifold, take everything out here. Put a starter. The starter is defect, which is rebuild one, and then you have to do it again. You better look for a reliable, good company with a good reputation that you put something to stay. I'm not going to change the starter 2 times and nobody pay me for labor. By the way, AutoZone, if you tell him the starter is defect, they may pay you the money for replacement. You know, like, okay, I have to work 2 times for it. Say, okay, sorry. I hear that, which is good when you buy something from them. So please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Je vous aime beaucoup. See you. Salam alaikum. Yeah.